In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can verify your Twitter account in Anime Adventures. Now, there's a ton of different reasons you might want to do this, but the main reason for that is that you do get some really cool benefits. I think you get some gems and stuff like that. So I'm going to teach you how to do that now. Now, with that being said, please make sure you pay close attention to this video and yeah, watch it to the end so you know what to do and you don't miss any steps out, because it may not work if you do skip a step. So let's get right into this. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to come into the lobby like this, and then you want to come down here, and you want to come left here, and this is where you're going to do the verification. So it's next to the code section. It will say Twitter verification, so there'll be a guy here. So you can hold E, and he says, so many people here claiming to be the strongest. I wonder how they react when they meet my master. It's a bit random. So we're going to click verify Twitter, and it says, follow @Strayons and DevScripts on Twitter. Then enter your Twitter username to claim a special reward. Reward is 500 gems and times 5x trait reroll tokens. So it's actually pretty good stuff. So what you're going to have to do is actually go onto Twitter. So now that we're here on Twitter, what we actually need to do is we need to search up the two accounts. So the first one is dev_scripts. And it'll be this one here, and you will click follow on that one, and then I'm going to go back to Roblox, and it's going to be Strayons. So type that in here, so Strayons, and it's this one here. We're going to click follow, and wow, he's got a lot of followers, pretty cool. We're going to go back to Roblox, and then we're going to put in our @ for our Twitter in here and press redeem. So make sure you put the same @ that you have. So I'm going to put mine here. Now, I think if I just press redeem, it should work. Maybe I have to put the @ sign in. Okay, so I sort of just messed mine up there. But what you need to do, basically, make sure you are following these two here. And you might have to leave it a second. But what you need to do is make sure that your Twitter username is case sensitive, and also make sure you put the @ sign. I forgot to put the @ sign. That was stupid of me. So I have to wait 10 minutes. But what you can just do, make sure you put the @ sign in there, and you should be able to go ahead and, you know, redeem the stuff from Twitter. I think that's basically everything that you do need to know. But yeah, that being said, make sure you put your @ in, make sure you follow them, and you should be able to redeem your stuff. If it doesn't work like me, it'll give you a 10-minute cooldown. That stops you from trying to like spam it with different usernames to see if they're following it. But yeah, that's basically how you go ahead and do it. So if you did find this video useful, then please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that this did help you and that you did receive the gems, because that will help people know to watch this video and that it is good content. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.